Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you on how to cash out money from MetaTrader 4 and 5. So here's step number 1. Step number 1 is to log into your broker's portal. So open your web browser and navigate to your broker's official website or app, and then just log into your broker account using your credentials. For step number 2, we have check your account balance. Ensure your funds are available in the trading account linked to your Meta4 or MetaTrader 4 and 5. And if you need to close or open trades to release funds, do this within the MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. For step number 3 is to initiate a withdrawal request. So look for the withdraw or funds section in your broker's platform, and then just select the withdrawal option. Enter the amount that you want to withdraw or you wish to withdraw, and then ensure that the amount is within your available balance. For step number 4, we have choose a withdrawal method. Most brokers offer multiple options such as bank transfer, credit or debit card, e-wallets like PayPal, Skrill, Neteller, or you can also use cryptocurrency wallets. And then just select the preferred method and provide the required details, like for example, your bank account number or the e-wallet address. Step number 5 is to confirm the withdrawal. So double check all the details for accuracy, submit the withdrawal request, and you may receive a confirmation email or message from your broker. And lastly is to wait for processing. So withdrawal processing times vary by broker and method. So you can have, for bank transfer, it may take 3 to 5 business days. For e-wallet withdrawals, it is often faster than that. So it really depends on the withdrawal method. And also some brokers may charge a withdrawal fee, so review for their policies. And that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!